Welcome friends to the second part of data filters. In the backhand, the data that you can see on the Excel was utilized in the part 1. With a little modifications, we are going to utilize the same data in the part 2 to learn more about data filters. Now friends, in the previous database, what we used, there was no column E was not there and column G was not there. Both are bill dates for the biggest order for different quarters. For example, cell E2 25th June 2015 shows the biggest order date in quarter 1 for the product P1, whereas 15th May 2015 will be the date of the biggest order for quarter 1, that is cell E3. We added these dates to understand how data filters worked with dates. So to go and to understand this, let us again click on the drop down arrow, and here we can use search option. For example, we want to see the data where the bill dates belongs to month of May, and we type down May here, and with this we click OK. Then all May dates for column E, that is the biggest date for biggest order 2015-16, 15th May and 11th May. But if we are not sure whether it is May or March, then we can have MA, and both May and March will filter out. To cancel the filter, we can go back and clear filter out. Same thing can be used in the case of number filters, where on clicking, let us say in column F revenue for 2016-17, we can click and ask for the data that is starting with 280, and when we click OK, there is only one data item that is having the value 280 or above, or that is having 28 in. We clear out this filter and we can apply this again here. We can, if write down 28, here we can see there are multiple data values that start with 280, 282, 280 and 280 for quarter 2, 3, 4 for product P4, P3, and again for quarter 3 P4 and quarter 4 P4. Similarly, to clear out, you have to go back on the drop down arrow and clear filter from revenue in millions. Now I want to see the data or the revenue for 2015-16, which lies between 230 and 280. Then for that I have to go on drop down filter arrow, and I have to go filter numbers, and I have to select between, where I can write here greater than or equal to 230, and here I can write greater than or equal, less than or equal to 280, so that all data between 230 and 280 will come up, get filtered out. Again, I can also use this in a different manner. Suppose I want to see the data that is less than 230 but more than 280, then I can modify this between again, and I can have it less than 230, and here I have to select greater than 280, and all data between 230 and 280 will appear. But you see here no data has been appeared, because in the filter we have selected a choice that is AND. If we put OR, then the data will come, because the combination of either data should be less than 230 or data should be more than 280. So if we write down again 230 here and 280 here with an option less than 230 and option greater than 280, then the data will come that is less than 230 and greater than 280. So it just, you have to make sure that in here you don't have to select the option AND, you have to select the option OR, because two different data filters will apply simultaneously in this situation. To clear out that, you have to go again and clear the filters. Data filters works on the month, date, and different varied kind of filters with dates. Like if I want to see the date for this week, I can clear, select up here and click this week. Then there is no data in 2015-16 that belongs to this week. But if I go to 2016-17 and select the data for this week, then there are two dates that belongs to this week. If I want to select and modify this to quarter, the complete quarter, I can have this quarter and all four quarter 4 data will come up here, and this can be verified like quarter 4 here on the left hand side. There are many other ways where these filters can work with dates. You can go up here and you see 2016 and 17, the date is coming month wise. So you can select some particular months like for February in 2017, and let us say only June, September and November in 2016, then data can be filtered in this manner. With this all, I'm going to finish up here for second part of data filters. In the third part, we are going to learn about advanced filters. Thank you.